Simple Easter egg.
Hi, I'm Hui Pei from Pocket Yarnings, and welcome to this free masterclass on crocheting 3D shapes for amigurumi. So in these 15 bite-sized lessons, we'll go through the 3 most essential shapes that are needed to crochet amigurumi, which includes spheres, cylinders, as well as cones, and then learn how to customize them in different ways to crochet the amigurumi that you've always dreamed of. So there are a few things I want to mention. Don't forget to grab your free cheat sheet, which is the free Amigurumi Shape Building cheat sheet, which has printable patterns and a visual reference of all the shapes that we'll be going through, as well as snippets of the 3 most basic shapes, which are pretty useful. And then also, one more thing is, if you want step-by-step pictorial instructions, as well as the patterns, as well as ad-free versions of all the videos that are included in this free masterclass, then go to the link in the description to check out the full course that I have available inside a Thrive Card platform. So I think that's all that I want to mention, and please enjoy the masterclass. Even if you don't purchase the course, do remember to check out all free 15 videos on YouTube, as well as grab the free cheat sheets that you can download. So let's get started. Today's shape is making an egg shape, basically, which is an ovoid form that is really good for making different things like snouts, bodies, or even egg-like toys.
Simple Easter egg. Use beige yarn to crochet the egg. For round 1, magic ring single crochet 5 stitches. Start of round 2. Place stitch marker at start of round. Increase all around the round in round 2. For round 3, alternate single crochet 1 and increase all around the round. For round 4, single crochet all around the round. For round 5, single crochet 2 and then increase for total 5 sets. For round 6, single crochet all around the round. For round 7, single crochet 3 then increase for total 5 sets. For round 8, single crochet all around the round. For rounds 9 to 10, single crochet all around the round, which are completed here. For round 11, single crochet 3 then decrease for 5 sets. For round 12, single crochet all around the round. For round 13, single crochet 2 then decrease for total 5 sets. For round 14, single crochet all around the round. Add stuffing to egg. For round 15, single crochet 1 and decrease for 5 sets. For round 16, decrease all around the round and end off. Cut off excess yarn. Close up in front loops only and fasten off. Cut off excess yarn. Final simple single colored eggs.
Thanks so much for watching and following along with the tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to grab the free Amigurumi Shape Building cheat sheets that you can get, which includes the basic patterns for the spheres, cones and cylinders. And also don't forget to check out the full Amigurumi Shape Building course, which has step-by-step pictorial tutorials, all the patterns from this series, as well as all the ad-free videos and bonus videos inside as well. So or if not, you can just keep following along here on YouTube, where all the videos will be available for free. And have fun crocheting, and I'll see you in the next lesson.